I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to develop a game like LEGO Marvel Superheroes 2. Creating a large-scale video game is a complex undertaking, requiring hundreds of talented individuals working together for several years. It all starts with a compelling concept and a comprehensive design document that outlines every aspect of the game. This foundational work ensures everyone understands the vision and goals, guiding the entire development journey from start to finish. It's a massive collaborative effort. After the initial concept, the core design and programming phases begin. Designers meticulously plan every level, character interaction, and puzzle, ensuring an engaging player experience. Concurrently, programmers build the game's engine and implement all the mechanics, from character movement to combat systems. This involves writing millions of lines of code, often over several years, to bring the game world to life. Choosing the right game engine is a critical early decision. Visuals and audio are paramount for an immersive experience. Artists sculpt thousands of three-dimensional models for characters, environments, and objects, applying detailed textures. Animators then spend countless hours bringing these models to life, creating fluid movements for every action and reaction. Meanwhile, sound designers compose original music, record voiceovers for dozens of characters, and create thousands of sound effects, ensuring the game sounds as good as it looks. This stage adds immense depth. Before release, extensive testing is absolutely vital. Quality assurance teams, often numbering in the hundreds, play through the game for thousands of hours, identifying and reporting every bug or glitch. Once polished, the game is prepared for launch with marketing campaigns and distribution plans. After release, developers continue to support the game with patches, downloadable content, and community engagement, ensuring a long and successful lifespan for the title. It's a continuous cycle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.